Mabuhay MIMAROPA, this is Lance Mercado, and in this video, I will show you how to prepare a delicious and nutritious Malunggay Puto cheese. Pero bago ang lahat, alam nyo ba na ang malunggay ay isang nutrient powerhouse dahil ang malunggay leaves ay mayaman sa mga essential nutrients including vitamins A, C, E, calcium, potassium, and iron. Ito rin ay may antioxidant properties, immune system support, anti-inflammatory, nutritional supplements, blood sugar control, lowering cholesterol, potential cancer-fighting properties, at marami pang iba. Kaya tara, simulan na natin. To begin, I am going to use a blender with 1 cup of water at ang ating half cup of malunggay leaves. If wala tayong blender, don't worry, we can just chop our malunggay leaves and add 1 cup of water on it. Always remember to wash your hands before cooking or touching anything. It is important for food safety. In a bowl or any mixing bowl, pour in the malunggay mixture, add the evaporated milk, oil, egg, vanilla extract, and sugar. Whisk until properly blended. Kapag ganito na ang ating mixture, pwede nating ilagay ang all-purpose flour and baking powder and whisk until maging smooth and bit runny ang ating puto batter. Pwede tayong mag-add ng water if needed, basta ang mixture ay hindi sobrang malapot or malabnaw, tamang-tama lang. Remember, accurate measurements are important in cooking and baking because they ensure consistency, flavor, and texture in the final dish. Precise measurements help recipes turn out as intended, leading to a successful and delicious outcome. At this moment, ito ang ating gagamitin na molder. You can choose bigger molders if you want bigger puto. We need to brush some oil para hindi dumikit ang ating puto, and then we scoop the mixture into our molder and then top with some cheese. Steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, we made it, our malunggay cheese puto.